welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we're outside working on my 2015 Tesla Model S, the 85D. In one of the previous videos, a couple of the previous videos, I was working on blacking the all out of chrome on here, which there is a lot of. And where I'm at now today, I wanted to do the letters on here. So we got the Model S over here and the 85D over here. So I ordered out them in black because I want them in black rather than chrome. So I got the Model S and I also have the 85D. And as you can see, side by side, pretty close. And what we're gonna need for that is a heat gun. We're also gonna need some fishing line and possibly an eraser wheel. This right here will be to get the temperature of the body nice and warm to adhere so that this can adhere to it properly. Because we're in winter and it's cold out, it's raining out. We just had snow the other day. The fishing line will be to remove the old letters off and any adhesion, and the wire wheel to remove any of the adhesive that is still on there from removing the old letters. The first thing we're going to do is take our fishing line, wrap it around your fingers, and just get it behind the letter, and then just work it back and forth. All right, so when doing these, there's usually two tried and true methods. One would be just taking your finger and then just rubbing it against the glue, and the heat from your finger will help to loosen up the adhesive to remove that. The other one is to take your wire wheel, yeah, that would be nice. To take your eraser wheel with I use an electric drill to remove this. You may have a battery power one, but the rotation speed of it may not be high enough to do it properly. So I recommend using an electric one. But that will be another method to remove that as well. The eraser wheel tend to be pretty quick, but first we'll look at the finger method. Not your nails, never use your nails. You don't looking to scratch the paint. And it's not working very well on here. I'm in Wisconsin, it's cold out, so it's harder to get it out. If it was warmer out, it would probably be working a lot easier doing this method. But just going back and forth like this with your finger will take it off. But if you don't want to go the slower route, just get your wire wheel and do it that way. Keep it flat, don't go at it like that. Keep it not flat like that, but slight angle on here. And then just keep moving it around and getting it off. Don't keep it in one spot. As you can see, there's no damage to the paint underneath at all, no scratches. There's still a little bit of residue here and there, but run my finger over it to get that out of there. But no scratches, no swirl marks or anything left on the paint. We'll get all the old eraser wheel dust off, and then we'll put on the decals after we rub some rubbing alcohol on it. All right, so what I've done is just cleaned off all that dust from the eraser wheel, and now I'm just going to take some rubbing alcohol on a napkin and just clean up the area, make sure it's free of any oils that will prevent the adhesive from the new letters from sticking properly. So I'll do both sides. All right, so because it's winter time, only about 45 degrees out, cold and wet, the decals or the letters won't stick, the adhesive from it won't stick so well on this cold metal. So I'm gonna use my heat gun just to heat this up a little bit, and it help make sure it's fully dry too from wiping it down. Letters here nice and warm as well. So you want to keep it stuck on the back of here. You just want to take everything off from this side. Oops. Didn't want it to stick just yet. They seem to be sticking quicker than I want. So you guys are gonna see me save this a little bit. Here very quickly. Oh, I need to try to straighten that S out a little bit. All right, let's go do the other side, and hopefully that one doesn't have the same issue. All right, so the way we're going to do this, because it doesn't have that plastic on the front that it's going to stick to, but if you look on the back, the letters are actually, the numbers and letters are actually cut out, if you can tell that or not. So what I can do is keep it on on this cardboard right here to be able to use that flat edge right there as my mounting point to see if I'm doing it level, and also make sure all the letters stay equally spaced and not crooked. So I just have to work just to get only that part off, like that. See? So I'm gonna do that for each letter and number. I'm glad the other one wasn't like this. All right. So now I'm going to heat up my space. All right, see if this works out. The moment of truth. I think I could have popped those out first from inside the 8. That will probably make everything a little easier in the end, but it shouldn't be that bad. All right, there we go. All right, so I'm gonna use this little pick right here to get in there and get that out of there. Here we go. Remove that. Clean up any of this remaining residue off of there. To the other side. All right, so there it is. From silver or chrome to black. All right, how do you like? If you like, hit that like button and definitely hit that subscribe button, because I'm going to continue to black out all the remaining chrome, and you guys can check it out and see how I'm doing that, and check out the videos that I've already put out there working on this Tesla. I'm going to be changing brakes soon, so you guys can check those out as well. And of course, that's my other baby over there that I'm working on, so you can check out some of those videos as well. All right, so again, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching, everyone.